In this lesson, we will understand the agents component of LangChain. Let us see. Agents are AI-powered systems that use LLMs to decide which actions to take. They act as intelligent decision makers that dynamically interacts with tools, APIs or data sources to achieve a goal. Here are the two types of agents, single action and multiple action. The single action agent perform one specific task or action based on the input, like an agent that retrieves weather data from an API. The second one is multi-action. Using the multi-action agents, easily perform a sequence of actions iteratively to solve complex problems. Like an agent that plans a trip. So what are the things required to plan a trip? Like an agent is used to book flights, hotels, and even the transportation. Why are agents important? They are important because autonomous and intelligent behavior is enabled. This allows system to handle complex multi-step tasks without any predefined workflows and independently. If you are building applications that require reasoning, planning or interaction with external systems, then agents are quite useful. So guys, we saw what are agents in LangChain. We also saw the types. Thank you for watching the video.